So it's now 8:15 in the morning, Saturday. What's the date?
It is, what is it, 29th?
The 29th of July. And we decided that we should go for a hike on the Four Falls in, oh, I can't say it. Is it Brecon or Brecon?
Brecon.
Yeah. So that is where we're going. We both have never been there before, and we thought we'd document it.
Sorry, my eyes are just like...
So yeah, we obviously had to make a stop and get coffee, which we have done, and now it's time to hit the road.
Bye! See you later!
And this is Ericka. No. Oh look, what is that? Is that like some manual or whatever? Show me.
That was crazy!
It was so funny. We made it. I feel like I'm broadcasting. We've actually made it.
It took us so long to get here.
Like, it took us to someone's house, the postcode. So we had to turn around and the roads are so tiny as well.
But you've just stepped on shit. Whoop, it's okay.
Sorry.
Where are we?
There's people. Hello. We're out in nature.
Wait, when you want to be a vlogger about like your shy?
When you're a shy girl vlogger. Where are we? Finally got to the Airbnb.
It was so cute. We're hungry girls.
Yeah, and as you saw, we went to one waterfall. Not the four.
To one waterfall.
It was a lot. So,
yeah, she's been like driving for like the longest.
yes,
So I literally think, what, 4 hours total that you've been driving.
This is why I need some energy.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go to the local supermarket that they have, and it's literally like 10 minutes away. So we're just gonna get dinner. We'll take you along. We'll do like a supermarket tour.
Squirrel. This is really dangerous to be shopping while
hungry. Yeah.
We made a list. Oh. Oat milk, hot chocolate. It's not that great. Oat milk, hot chocolate, marshmallows, carby food, and salad.
Yeah.
So we went food shopping, and now I'm going to do a little tour. We parked around the hedges, and this is our humble abode for the night. So basically walk through. Oh, you can hear the cows. There's Ericka. Wow.
Welcome to my cabin in the woods.
Cabin in the woods. Not a horror though. So this is a cute house, or cabin I should say. And go backwards so you can see it for what it truly is. Look at that beauty. So currently cooking up some pasta. Ericka's in the shower, as you might be able to hear. We've got the doors open and dinner being made. And yeah, as you saw, we've got the game We're Not Really Strangers. Ericka lit the fire.
It's what I do. It's what I do.
That's what she does best.
Don't worry, you're welcome.
Look at it.
Oh yeah, Katie. You know my friend Katie. She made out with Reggie's boyfriend.
Good morning. Good morning. So we left our Airbnb and this was only 20 minutes away. Look at this beautiful beach. It's a little bit rainy. We were thinking of going for a walk. Let me turn you around up there and see where that takes us. Yeah, I'll try and zoom. It's very slow zoom. But yeah, you can see. There you can see people. But yeah, that's where we're gonna go at the moment. We're just enjoying this. We had breakfast, we had coffee, we had tea, we had orange juice. We've had all the liquids.
We did. I'm so like heavy right now. I feel literally stuffed with liquid.
We're rejuvenated though, so that's great. And yeah. Bye. Say hi! So we're walking up the mountain and we're on our trail, and look how stunning this is. Let me flip the camera. Even though it's a cloudy day, so grateful to breathe in this fresh air and be near the ocean. I feel like I sound so cringe, but it's true.